Hi, welcome to channel 7. Today we are going to see review and unboxing about the Jada Woman Black Flats. I bought the product from Flipkart for just 239 rupees, but the actual cost was 500 rupees. I bought the product in Big Billion Day sale. The product is very good, very well suited for young women and for all age types. It comes in a black color casual slipper. Now we're going to watch the unboxing video. The product is made up of PVC material and give a cushion on the floor bed, so it was easy to use and not going to hurt your leg. We're watching the unboxing quickly. The sole material is PVC and the weight of the slipper was 100 gram each. Heel height was 0.25 inch, not big heel slipper, it was flat slipper from Jade. See the size was 4 and the weight and the cost was 499, but I bought the product for 239 rupees in an offer sale. I need to thank Flipkart for the wonderful product and Jade. See, the packing was good and it delivered on time. See the slipper, black color. The straps are very well designed and they give a soft sole on the top layer of the slipper. If you don't like the flat slippers and you want heel slipper, please watch another video. My woman tan flats, but it contains heel for 0.5 inch and also I provided some head slipper video. Please watch the video by clicking in the description. See this flat slipper and they provided soft cushion for the floor bed. So you are easily able to stand for a whole day with the slipper. Not going to hurt your legs. See the straps, they very well fitted, stitched, and see the design was really good. All women will like the design. You can able to give to your wife and mother this kind of slippers. On the back side, you can see the material was used was quality and it give enough grip for the rainy season. And give a small heel for 0.25 centimeter. I think it's worth for 239 rupees and it's a great product for the price. Soft material, PVC was used and closer type was slip-on, synthetic leather material. Weight was 100 gram per slipper. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please click like button. If you want more video, please click subscribe button. Thank you from Savan.